Welcome to our Android TV tutorial today. We'll explore the best live TV app. First, visit tuv.store for IPTV services. 2tv.store offers a variety of channels. Don't hesitate to check out their services. Need help? Nancy is here for support. She'll guide you through the installation process. Now, let's start the setup together. First, download the app from Google Play. Search for the live TV app of choice. Click Install and wait for it to complete. Once installed, open the app immediately. You'll see the login screen right away. Enter your credentials from 2tv.store. Remember to save your login details securely. Now, you're ready to browse channels. Navigate the interface and select Favorites. Enjoy live shows and movies instantly. Explore different genres and content types. Don't forget to ask Nancy for help. She can assist whenever you have questions. Wrapping up, have fun with your setup. Explore your newfound channels and shows. Thank you for joining our tutorial today.